Hey friends, want to turn your free time into free PayPal cash in 2025? Today I'm revealing the 10 PayPal reward apps I'm still using. Yes, they're legit, free, and still paying. Let's dive into how I stack up easy cash, one tap at a time. From watching videos, taking surveys, to scanning receipts, these apps are making me real money. Stay to the end, because 10 is my personal secret weapon that nobody talks about. Number 1, Swagbucks. It's still going strong. I earn points by watching short clips and answering questions, then boom, PayPal cash out. Number 2, Box Dollars. I use this to check emails and do simple tasks while chilling. Easy $10 here and there. Number 3, Fetch Rewards. I scan my grocery receipts and cash out via PayPal. It's effortless. Number 4, Misplay Gamers. This one's for you. Play mobile games, earn points, and redeem for PayPal cash. Number 5, Survey Junkie, a classic. Surveys are short and payouts are fast. Number 6, Rakuten, cashback every time I shop online. Connected to PayPal, and it's automatic savings. Number 7, Upside, gas, groceries, and dining cashback. Link your PayPal once and forget about it. Number 8, My Points, like Swagbucks but with better deals on shopping offers in 2025. Number 9, Feature Points. I've earned over $300 with this since 2023. Download apps, complete tasks, it adds up fast. Number 10, Cash Karma. Here's my low-key gem. The app feels basic, but the payout ratio is high. Combine offers and daily bonuses. It's low effort, high return. So there you have it, 10 PayPal reward apps that still work in 2025. If you want extra income while scrolling or gaming, these are no-brainers. Drop a comment with your favorite app, or if I missed one you love. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more money-making tips every week.